Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Listen. This channel is all about real English, spoken slowly, clearly and naturally. Today you are going to listen to a practical conversation that starts very simple and slowly becomes more detailed. A vegetable seller and a customer in an Indian market. Just listen, don't rush, let the language come to you.
Fresh vegetables, madam. Fresh vegetables.
Okay, let me see.
Tomatoes, onions, potatoes, lady's finger, brinjal and fresh greens also.
Spinach looks good.
Yes, madam. Very fresh. Morning harvest only.
All right, how much is the spinach?
20 rupees for one bunch.
Okay, give me one bunch.
Fine, madam.
Tomatoes, how much per kg?
40 rupees per kg.
Last month it was cheaper?
Yes, madam. Rates keep changing. Now transport cost is high.
I see. Give me half kg then.
Okay, madam.
Onions also?
30 rupees per kg.
All right, 1 kg.
Sure.
Potatoes?
25 per kg. Good quality.
Give me 1 kg.
Done, madam.
Are these vegetables from nearby farms?
Yes, madam. Mostly from local villages. That's why they stay fresh.
That's good. I prefer local produce.
Yes, madam. Taste is also better.
Do prices usually increase during certain seasons?
Yes, madam. During rain and summer, supply becomes less, then prices go up.
That makes sense.
Also, fuel price affects everything.
True, everything depends on that. How long have you been selling vegetables?
Almost 15 years, madam. Same market, same place.
Oh, that's a long time.
Yes, madam. Daily early morning work, but honest living.
That's respectable.
Thank you, madam.
Nowadays customers bargain a lot, right?
Yes, madam. But margins are already low. We also have family to run.
I understand. Fair price is important for both.
Exactly, madam.
Okay, how much is the total?
Let me calculate. Spinach 20, tomatoes 20, onions 30, potatoes 25. Total 95 rupees.
Okay, here is 100.
5 rupees balance, madam.
It's fine, keep it.
Thank you, madam. Please come again.
Sure, your vegetables are good.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. So, this is how English sounds in real life. Simple at first, then slowly deeper. Not bookish, not fast, just natural. If you listen regularly, your understanding will grow without effort. Keep listening, keep improving with Let's Listen.